Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you number systems and types of number systems briefly. Okay, first let's see what is number system. Number system is nothing but number system is a basic for counting various items. The main use of number system is used for counting various items or elements. Okay, for counting purpose we have mainly four types of number systems. Those are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Let's see one by one briefly. Okay, the first one is decimal number system. What is decimal number system? Decimal number system has 10 digits, which means in decimal number system we have 10 numbers. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is, in decimal number system we have numbers from 0 to 9, and here the radix is 10. Radix is also known as base. The base of the number system is 10. How we can take the radix is 10 means the number of digits present in the number system is also known as base of the number system is also known as base of the number system or radix of the number system. Here observe, here we have 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total number is 10, so I call this radix as a 10. Here decimal number system weight is expressed as powers of 10. Here the radix is 10. That's why the decimal number system weight is expressed as powers of 10. That is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. According to the significant positions of the digit, the 10 powers are there. First, let's see, this is a decimal number system. Decimal number system is nothing but we are using the decimal number system in our daily life. Okay, let's see, this is the decimal number. Here after this decimal point, this is the decimal point. Before this decimal point we have positive 10 powers, and right side of this decimal point we have negative 10 powers. Like here it is a 10 power 0, it is a 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3 positions. Okay, and from here onwards 10 power minus 1, like that 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3 is growing on. That means each position is a weighted of 10 powers. That is, here 10 power 0 position is, that is ones position, tens position, hundreds position, thousand position, like that. This is nothing but decimal number system. In generally in our daily life we are using this number system only. Now let's see binary number system. Binary number system. What is binary number system? Binary number system has two digits. In decimal number system we have 10 digits, but in binary number system we have only 2 digits. There are 0 and 1. Okay, in binary number system we have only 2 digits. There are 0 and 1. The radix of the binary number system is 2. We know the number of digits present in the number system is also known as radix or base. Here we have only 2 digits present. That's why the radix is nothing but 2. In binary number system, minimum digit is 0 and maximum digit is 1. Here we have 2 digits, 0 and 1. Here 0 indicates minimum and 1 indicates maximum, or low or high. We can call like that also. Next, in binary, each digit is commonly known as bit. Here we have 2 digits. Each digit is commonly called as bit. Suppose 0th bit, 1 bit, like that. Okay. Binary number system weight is expressed as powers of 2. In decimal number system, weight is expressed as powers of 10, but in binary number system, weights are expressed in terms of powers of 2. Here, observe, this is a binary number, the combination of zeros and ones, and this 2 indicates the radix of the number system, and this is the decimal point. Before that, that is left side of the decimal point, we have positive powers of 2. That is, it is 2 power 0 and 2 power 1, and it is 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like that, and going on. And right side of this decimal point, we have negative powers, that is 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, like that. And this is the binary number system. Binary number systems are used in computers. Okay, this is also known as machine language. Okay, now let's see what is octal number system. octal number system. Here, let's see what is octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits. Okay, only 8 digits that are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Octal number system has only 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7, and the radix of the number system is 8. Here observe, we have total 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. So the radix is 8. The octal number system weight is expressed as a powers of 8. Every number system, the weight is always expressed in powers of the radix. Okay, here the radix is 8, that's why the number system weights are expressed in terms of the powers of the radix, that is powers of 8. Here this is the decimal point, and left side of the decimal point we have positive powers of 8, that is it is 8 power 0, it is 8 power 1, 8 power 2, and right side of the radix point we have negative powers of 8, that is 8 power minus 1. Here it is having radix 8, that's why I write 8 as a suffix here. This is nothing but octal number system. These are used in some special purposes. Okay, now let's see hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, this is also one of the important type of number system. First, let's see what is hexadecimal number system. It is a combination of, in this number system we have combination of both integers and alphabets. Okay, here hexadecimal number system has 16 digits. It has 16 digits, that means the radix of the hexadecimal number system is 16. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. From 10 to 15 we have A, B, C, D, F, not integers. Okay, this is nothing but hexadecimal number system, that is here observe 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, the combination of 0 to 9 integers and A to F alphabets is nothing but hexadecimal number system. Here the total number of digits is nothing but 16, so the radix of the number system is 16. Okay, the hexadecimal number system weight is expressed as in terms of powers of 16. Here we know the weight of the number system is always expressed in terms of the power of the radix of the number system, that is the radix is 16, that's why here observe this b, this b is expressed as 16 power 0, and 7 is expressed as 16 power 1, and it is 16 power 2, and we can write this as the like this, because here 16 suffix 16 indicates it is the hexadecimal number system, and in hexadecimal number systems are also used in some special purposes like addressing mapping, like that in computers. This is about briefly explanation of number system. I hope you understood this topic. In the next video onwards I will go to explain you about how to convert the one number system to another number system, like that. Thank you for watching this video.